So this is how you set up your ChatGPT workspace. As you can see, this is a new ChatGPT. I've not had any chat. This I created with the new email for my own transformation, for my own 90-day campaign, as you can see. So the most important thing you need to know is how to set up the project. To set up a project, all you need to do is click this. It will open this, and you name the first project project one. It's basically the foundation. So it has been set up to start a chat. All you need to do is start typing it. But before we do that, we need to add the operating systems instruction, the operating system instructions. So to do that, I sent a link to a drive, this drive, 0 to 0 operating system. So you see the projects, and inside each project you see a file, an operating system um, prompt in a file that you need to add to each project. Under the first one is this creator OS, creator identity OS rather, and the research OS. So what you need to do now is take this and add it to this source. To be clear, let me show you how to get to that source. Once you click on project, you see the project you created. You will see source. This source is where we insert the instructions that we want this project to follow. So those instructions are these files. So to add it, there are two ways you can add it. You can either download the file as text or as PDF or as Word. Anyone works. Let's use text because that does not consume so much space. So you go there and upload. You see research OS. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, that's been uploaded into that project. So it's going to make sure it follows the instructions or the format that is in that file. There's another way you can add it. You can either add it as the normal text. It means you just come and copy the whole instructions and paste it here. So, and you name it, of course. And save it. It will upload to the project. So now you start your chat. First of all, what I want you to do is impute your story. This here is my story. It's about 5 pages, not so much. So all you need to do is copy and you paste here. This is just to give the project the first context of what you are building or what you are working on. So this is good. I mean, first of all, based on what it already has in those instructions, it will give you some things you can read through. One thing I also want you to do is also add your story um to the project as a source, so it can also always reference your story whenever it is answering you. So now you are set up. So Um, you now follow every other instructions I drop on the group to work on this project. Every other instructions and prompt I give you. But this is not the only project we'll be using. You need to create every other project in the drive. This one now, project 2. Um, you, of course, just like I showed you for project 1, you create this and you add the sources. All this is something you can do on your phone too. It doesn't matter that I'm using a system to show you. It's something you can do on your phone. It's very easy. I would also do a tutorial on the phone so you can see. So for everything, I wish I can fast forward to the side, but then what I've learned is don't assume everyone understands. Show every bit of it. So that's why I'm doing everything for you to see. Remember, this is project 2. So project 2 is set up. Then you do project 3. Instead of copying, like I said, you could just download the file and upload it. Last but not the least, so you are all set up. When you want to go to your project, you find your project one, project two, project three. There's one other project we need you would also create, but when it's time to do that, I'll tell you. Basically, this one, 0 to HQ. This one, what you'll be adding to the sources are your results from every of the project, every of the tasks you've done. So it will be like creating a project that contains all the resources or the results of every task you have done. But this one will only be needed like towards the ending or after the campaign. So basically you are all set up to start. So you can just you be able to. So see you in the next video.